Some consonant blends can be found only at the beginning of a word, but others can be found in the middle and the end. Today we'll be going over the consonant blend of SH. Sh. Say it with me. Sh. You can find this sound in words like shingle, which is at the beginning of a word, fashion, which is in the middle of the word, and marsh, which is at the end. Did you like our video? Then share it with your friends. Write in the comments section below, like us on Facebook and Twitter, and catch us next time on Phonics Bites.